My friend invited me to the Philippines, to the city of Clark, and there I met a girl called Berlina.
Si Kuya Jens, ano yan, reactor natin yan. Official reactor.
Ayan, hello po mga kalingap, magandang araw po sa inyo lahat, is Kuya Jens, and welcome back po sa aking YouTube channel. Sa mga bago lang po sa aking YouTube channel, huwag niyo pong kalimutang mag-subscribe and click the bell button para lagi po kayo updated sa ating mga bago upload na video. At huwag po natin kalimutang suportahan ng Puting Kalingap sa pangunguna ni Kuya Val Santos Matubang, Ate Edna Vlog at syempre Kalingap Rob. At pakisuportahan din po ang mga kasama sa Puting Kalingap, nandiyan po ang K-Boys, Kalingap Partner, Kalingap Reactor at lahat po na charity vlogger sa buong Pilipinas na tumutulong sa mga kabayan natin na lahat may hirap. Suportahan po natin lahat, guys. So ngayong araw mga Kalingap ay bigyan po natin ng reaction video at panoorin po natin ang naging update ni Kalingap Rob sa paghahanap ng tatay po ng kambal na Australianong Edward at Edwin mga Kalingap. Dahil sa tulong po ng mga ibang vlogger po mga Kalingap tumutulong sa paghahanap ng tatay nila Edward at Edwin, ay nagkaroon po ng bagong update mga Kalingap sa paghahanap dito, at meron pong nagkiklaim mga Kalingap na baka siya daw po yung tatay po nila Edward at ni Edwin. Pero yan po ay marami pang mangyayaring proseso mga Kalingap para makumpirma. So para mas maunawaan po natin mga Kalingap, tara panoorin po natin ang vlog na ito in 5, 4, 3, 2.
He mentioned the name of your mother as,
Belinda. Belinda.
but he said Berlina.
Berlinda.
With no D.
I can show you that message. Okay. He said he was in Clark on 2003.
Yes.
Around January, February, he met the name Belinda. He saw your video, and then he found the picture of your mom through the video, and also he said like he looks like the woman that I met, but he is more whiter skin because of course your mom now is more brown, right? Because he was working in Mindanao, right? Your mother. So again, after we released our video, he reached out to us because he is one of our followers, and he is claiming and hoping that you guys is his son.
And he had a trip to Australia, is that right?
Yes.
He was.
He said he always use nickname Max. He didn't say that he is Brazilian. He said he met the woman, and he said to the woman that he is from Sydney, Australia.
Yes, yeah, he was living in Sydney, Australia. So maybe that's where what your mother has said matches up.
Yeah. We try to match it up. There is some that match, there is some that don't. So
We've sent him a DNA test.
yes.
Wow.
It got to him, and then customs, for whatever reason, sent it back to America. There was the wrong documentation. So over the past couple of months, that's what's happened, and we have now sent him another DNA test with the right information that the customs need to then pass it on to him. So that's on its way to Brazil now.
So he's in Brazil now.
Yeah.
Yes,
so
he is in Brazil,
he
and
will take
But
a
he's
DNA
not a
test.
Brazilian. He's just
He is a Brazilian.
Brazilian?
Yes, yes.
he is Brazilian. But he said when he met this woman, he didn't say that he is Brazilian.
He was staying in Australia at the time,
Okay.
but his ethnicity is Brazilian, and he's living in Brazil right now. And he has sent us a video message for us and the twins.
Oh.
Now, I'd
And
like to
also a
say that
picture.
I'm not sure.
so
Yes.
that's probably their father.
I
Not-
wouldn't go as
not
far as
really
to say
100%.
Yes,
that we have
still
to wait.
We need to confirm through the DNA. But this guy is claiming that the twins is his, and he is hoping
Or he had a relationship,
with your mother.
your mother.
before.
but he
Yeah.
may not be the father.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's where the DNA test is going to come in to
Important.
confirm everything.
So I would say. So I will show the picture.
Sure.
So this is where he is now.
Oh,
What do you
do you
think?
think you look like?
The twins.
Tingnan natin.
What's
What do you
your
think, guys?
feeling?
Parang di nyo kamukha.
It's hard to tell, right?
Yeah, hard to tell.
Yeah, so it's hard to tell, and there is more. Maybe we can show this to your mother, and maybe your mother can. So without the glasses,
We've got some younger pictures of him as well.
that's him without the glasses.
And he sent some younger pictures of the time that he would
Yeah,
have
yeah,
met
yeah.
their mum. So maybe they can pass it and the mum might recognize him or not.
Okay, and I have a picture of him when he is more younger. Asahan ko?
So I definitely like to say, guys, that we
Okay,
must
okay.
get the
Yeah.
DNA results back
Yes,
before we get our hopes up.
because even our genealogist saying that maybe because he hasn't taken the DNA, so he's not sure he's Brazilian or some sort of another ethnicity.
Okay, I mean, he maybe was born in Brazil, but his
Probably,
background
yeah.
may be from Europe.
Because your ethnicity is European, as I said the last
Yeah.
Irish.
Yeah,
It's quite-
so Caleb will
Yeah, Caleb's gonna like
Yeah.
let everyone
so I
know
will
what he found.
I will show they have a video message. It's
Ano, sa
in
tingin nyo? What do you think?
there is a video
There's a
message
video
from
message,
him.
but he's speaking in
Brazil.
Brazilian
Brazil.
or Portuguese, I believe.
A história desses gêmeos está parecendo muito com a minha história. Em 2002,
kumukha nyo nga.
eu fui para Sydney, Austrália, a convite de um amigo. E chegando na Austrália, em dezembro de 2002,
So what we'll do,
eu
Bob,
fui
is
visitar a Austrália.
I'll read it.
Meu amigo me
So
chamou para
maybe
conhecer
pause him because
Filipina
does
em
anyone speak
2003.
Brazilian here?
So I translate it to AI, and this is what he said.
Hi Blair, how are you? I'm going to tell you my story, Blair, because the story of those twins sounds a lot like my own. In 2002, I went to Sydney, Australia, at the invitation of a friend. And when I arrived in Australia in December 2002, I wanted to explore the country. Then my friend invited me to the Philippines, to the city of Clark. And there I met a girl called Berlina.
So ayun po mga kalingap so maraming po salamat sa mga vlogger po na tumutulong po kila Kalingap Rob, kila Edwin, kila Edward sa paghahanap ng tatay po, sa tunay na tatay po nila Edwin at Edward mga kalingap na nung una napag-alaman natin o ang inakala natin mga kalingap na Australiano yung kanilang tatay dahil sabi nga nung tatay nila doon sa nanay nila dati nung nagkakilala sila ay Australiano siya o galing siyang Australia. Pero dito nga sa video na natin napanood mga kalingap, yung isang lalaking nagki-claim na parang tumutugma daw yung istorya niya dun sa istorya nung nanay o nung dalawa nung kambal. So kiniklaim niya na baka siya yun, pero syempre marami pang kailangan gawin, DNA test and marami pang examination. And siya sabi dito na siya ay isang Brazilian at hindi isang Australiano. Galing lang siya Australia bago siya pumunta ng Pilipinas. Pero ang origin talaga niya mga kalingap, sabi ay Brazilian. Pero wala pa rin konfirmasyon kung siya talaga yung tatay. So maghihintay pa tayo ng another update sa investigasyon tungkol diyan mga kalingap. Pero at least mga kalipan unti-unti na pong napagdudugtong-dugtong kasi nagkaroon na nga ng mga ng mga tawag din tracing ng pamilya o ng mga relatives sa ibang bansa at merong nahanap ng mga kamag-anak si Edwin at Edward, parang tracing ng mga kamag-anak sa ibang bansa. So yan po yung kagandahan naman na may progress po kahit po medyo matagal pero may progress po mga kalingap. And ayun po, syempre di pa rin tayo nawawalan ng pag-asa na mahanap nila Edwin at Edward yung kanilang tatay. Kaya patuloy lang po natin suportahan mga kalingap yung paghahanap ng kambal sa kanilang tunay na tatay mga kalingap. At syempre po para po mas marami pang makapanood ng mga vlog ni Kalingap Rob, i-like, i-share po natin yan sa main channel po ni Kalingap Rob. At syempre po mga kalingap, malaking bagay po yung maitutulong ninyo sa pag-like and share po ninyo sa vlog ni Kalingap Rob. So, yun lamang po at maraming po salamat sa panonood. Huwag po natin kalimutan palagi suportahan ang Team Kalingap sa pangunguna ni Kuya Val, Ate Edna, Kalingap Rob at suportahan nyo na rin po ang mga kasama sa Team Kalingap, K-Boys yours truly, sa mga love team, and sa mga angels and beneficiaries, supportahan po natin lahat. So yun lamang po, at maraming po salamat sa panonood. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe sa ating mga video. Maraming po salamat mga kalingap. God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.